All right, Algebra 2. The lesson is standard position angles, coterminal angles, and reference angles. Here's what we'll be doing. We're going to have a circle that looks like this. In a while, that'll be called a unit circle. Today, for standard position, this is just a sheet of graph paper. All angles in standard position are going to start like this. They're always going to go starting out that direction. Always, always, always. Not sometimes, always. Now, what an angle is going to do, for example, if I were to spin like I'm a snowboarder, and I would spin this far, I'm going to spin that far, and what that is going to be, that is going to be a 90-degree angle. I've spun 90 degrees. That's an angle of 90 degrees in standard position. I'll do another one. Standard position, always. We'll start straight out here. I'm going to go like this. Stop right there. And if you look geometry-wise, that's like a 120 degrees angle there. We call this a 120-degree angle. It's an angle in standard position. Every time we go that direction, it is positive. If I were to go the other direction, always start here. And if I go, for example, right there, that would be called negative 45 degrees. So going up, we're always going to call it positive. Going down, we're going to call it negative. So those are standard position angles. Coterminal angles. Think about a snowboarder. Snowboarder goes down, turns 30 degrees. It would look like this here on our standard position. Snowboarder starts going this way, and they go 30 degrees. And there they are. Well, a really good snowboarder might spin a whole time around and keep going the same direction. So this snowboarder goes here and keeps going. They end up going in the same direction. Those are coterminal angles. If somebody goes 30 degrees, another snowboarder goes 30 degrees, but they add another one time around of 360, and they go a total of 390. These are called coterminal angles. They end in the same place. And how to get coterminal angles? It's very easy. You take the angle plus 360 degrees, and I'll put it times n, meaning you can do 360 degrees once, or if you're a really good snowboarder, twice, or 3 times, or 4 times. You could also, you could also go 360 backwards once, or twice, or 3 times. So coterminal angles, take an angle, add 360 or 360s, take away 360 or 360s. And finally, reference angles. What a reference angle is always, 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 always. If I'm going to ask for the reference angle right here, I'm starting in standard position and I'm going 120 degrees. What you do always is the following. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, okay. You can stay. Hello. I'm going to finish this lesson. Come on in.
Thank you.
What you do is always go down to 0, 0. Always straight down to the x-axis, and right there is your reference angle. Give me just a minute. We have. No, I'm doing a video. You're on video. The reference angle is right here. So if this is 120 degrees, we went 30 degrees extra here, but that doesn't go our reference angle, but right here, this is 60 degrees, and that is our reference angle. Very cool. We'll do one more with our visitors here. We have visitors here. This is so fun. We'll do another reference angle. Let's do the reference angle of start in standard position, and let's go 220 degrees. That's about right there. The reference angle, you always go, that's horrible. Reference angle, you can start doing what you're doing. 220 degrees. Always, always, always go straight up and down to the x-axis. Always to 0, 0, always put the little Greek letter theta. That's a cool little Greek letter. Well, here's 180, and if this is 220, we went 40 more. If you go right into there, there's your reference angle of 40 degrees. And our visitors, good luck on your tests, and those of us doing this test here, we are done.